In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create card mirrors on Trello, which is super useful if you want to keep the same task visible and synced across multiple boards or lists. So let's get started on how to do it efficiently. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to Trello.com. Trello is an excellent tool for managing tasks and projects, and the ability to mirror cards across different boards or lists makes it even more versatile. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll need to log in with your account credentials. Enter your email address and password, and you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. If you haven't set up a Trello account yet, you'll need to do that first, but assuming you're all set, we'll move on. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to select the board where the card you want to mirror is located. Your boards are typically displayed right on your home screen. Just click on the one where your card resides. This action will take you directly into the board, displaying all the lists and cards contained within. After you've got your board open, the next move is to find that specific card you'd like to mirror. Cards are essentially task items or notes that live within each list on a board. Hover over the card you want to mirror and look towards the top right corner. You'll spot a tiny pencil icon there. This pencil icon represents the card menu, which holds all sorts of options for managing your card. Click on it to open up the menu. With the menu expanded, you'll notice an option labeled Mirror. Selecting this option allows you to create a mirrored card. What that means is any change you make to this card will automatically reflect in its mirrored counterpart. This functionality is perfect for keeping teams aligned without the hassle of manual updates across different boards or lists. So go ahead and click on Mirror to proceed. When you reach the next screen, there will be a prompt at the bottom where you need to click on the Mirror button again to confirm your choice. Once this is done, you have officially set up a mirrored card. Congratulations! Any updates or changes you apply to the original card will now be mirrored on the other card, thereby saving you precious effort and ensuring consistency across your boards. And that's it. You've successfully created a mirror card in Trello. Now any updates you make to one card will automatically reflect on the mirrored one, saving you time and keeping everything in sync. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more Trello tips to stay productive.